Today, I'm going to show you how to create an estimate in QuickBooks Online. An estimate is used to show a customer the expected cost before you create an invoice. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. From the dashboard, click New or Create. Then select Estimate. This opens the Estimate form. At the top, choose the customer. Check the billing and shipping details to make sure they are correct. Next, check the estimate date. You can leave it as today's date or change it to match the proposal date. Now add the products or services you are quoting. Choose each item from your product and service list. Then enter the description, quantity, rate, and amount. If sales tax applies, make sure the tax setting is correct for each line. If you need to give a discount, turn on the discount field and enter the discount amount or percentage. QuickBooks will update the subtotal, tax, discount, and total automatically. You can also use the customization options to adjust the estimate layout, add your logo, or change the design if needed. Add a message to the customer if you want to include extra details, such as timelines, terms, or what is included in the estimate. Before sending, review the customer name, estimate date, line items, quantities, rates, tax, discount, and total. Once everything looks correct, click Review and Send. Check the email preview and confirm the customer's email address. Then click Send. If you do not want to send it right away, click Save and Close instead. QuickBooks will save the estimate under that customer, and you can convert it to an invoice later if the customer approves it. And that's how to create an estimate in QuickBooks Online in 2026.